Welcome back guys to RC633. We finished our crawling / trailing session with the EX136100Pro, also known as the shooter. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, there will be a link in the comment section. This is a all-round fun rig, really a brilliant rig. Comes with a brushless system. It has carbon rails, oil-filled aluminium shocks, great tires, they're grippy, they're soft. If I have one complaint, it's just on side heeling. Honestly, it's a small complaint. Most tires out of the box, they're not great on side heeling. The foams are too soft, so and then that they glued onto plastic rims, which they can be removed. There's various methods to do that, and which I would probably end up doing is just putting proper bead locks onto them and proper inserts. Then these tires will be perfect. They're actually great. I wouldn't want to replace them at this stage. They really performed really well. As a starter rig, great. I can recommend this to anyone who's just getting into the hobby. Price range for what you're getting, it is value for money. It really is. It's a beautiful body. It's a looker. It's a really nice rig. It's got enough speed, even though it's a single speed gearbox. It's geared properly for crawling, and with that fusion in an FOC, it's brilliant for crawling. You've got that nice low down control. And then you'll see in the video I've got a skid where I'm just basically running it on a gravel road. More than enough speed for trailing. Actually, it's quite fun. You can throw a few donuts with it. Thanks guys, stay tuned.